So today we're going to take a look at our new water bottle pouch. So this is kind of built around the Ready system, the backpack, and some things like that. So it's made to either mount on the bottom or we've got a way to mount it on the side. And it's originally sort of developed around Yeti water bottles. Like this is I think this is a 40 or a 36. But most of the Yeti water bottles will hook. It's got this clip, the hook's in the lid. You can adjust the tension on that so that it stays in. So if it's on the bottom of a pack or on the side, one-handed, you can grab this thing, unclip it, take it out. It's got a little piece of plastic in here, so it kind of keeps this front open, so it's easier to find its home, stick it in there, and again, do all of that one-handed. So the other thing that it has, so that it accepts like smaller water bottles or Nalgene size stuff, is on the back. You've got this cute little oval project here, and this clips into that, and then you can adjust it, pull it tight, and the same thing. It'll hold a small water bottle in there without any trouble, and then you can just grab this and unhook it, take the water bottle out, same thing. You can come back in and you can clip it without a big fight. And it's a handy way to kind of keep your water bottle all contained. And again, this kind of piece of plastic holds it open. It is MOLLE compatible on the back, but it's really, really designed around the Ready water bottle piece. The other thing it's kind of handy, because it's got this big field of Velcro on here, and we make this little drink pouch. You can find more about that on a different page, but it'll Velcro to it. And because, you know, water's kind of for plants and livestock, and I like to have it flavored, I keep a little Gatorade drink pouch with mine. I mean, this will obviously go in other stuff, but it's kind of designed to work with this. So that's the Ready water bottle pouch from Blue Ridge Overland Gear. Thanks for taking the time to stop by and check it out.